of CAD lab in SolidWorks. How to solve this solid in SolidWorks? Let's go the solids. This is today we are going to creating the model in 3D in SolidWorks. Now we are opening SolidWorks 2021. Make new drawing in this. Click the part. Click OK. It will take some time. Let me go to the check the dimensions. This is the model. Uh, Today I am going to draw the front plane. First, to draw this rectangle and with a height of 96, and then this rectangle has a dimension of 72 into 18, and then this rectangle is dimension of minus of 96 with 18, and then to draw the circle with the dimension of 80 and 48, and then creation of solid model. We going to draw this another uh, this projections. Okay. Now we are in SolidWorks. Go to the front plane. In front plane, select the sketch. Okay, selected, and select the rectangle dimensions. Which one? Now I am selecting the center rectangle. Why? Because it's automatically positioned in center position, and then give the dimensions. First of all, fix the dimensions. Here, this is 48, 48, and the height is 96 minus 18. We can give like this 78, and then go to another corner rectangle, snap slightly this point, and draw one rectangle like this. Okay, now dimension it. Width is 18. Okay, and length is 72, and position it. First of all, center position. Do the center position, otherwise that will oblique. Okay, now position it. 36, 36, and then corrected this overall dimension as 72. Now it is accommodate. First class, zoom it, and dimensions is correct or not. Check it out. There is gap. I need both are in same line, so I need go to small dimensions, make it as a 0. It's become a single entity, and zoom all, and then take a trim tool, trim this entity. One entity is enough. Okay. Okay, trim one entity. Okay, now going to draw circle. First one circle is a dimension of 48, and then another circle dimension is 80. Make this another circle with the dimension of, now I simply draw a small circle, give the dimension as 80. It became a bigger one. Give the dimension of 80 diameter. Yeah. Now one line is to be trim. Which one? This line. Trim this line and trim this line. Now automatically it's come forward, and also erase this line. Okay, enough. Okay, let me go to exit sketch. Okay, go to future, go to future, it will position, extrude, select the extrude base. I am going to select this face only and give the dimension of, you have to check it out the dimensions. This dimension is 120. Okay, you may calculate it. It's a 120 mm. Give the 120 mm and give here as a mid plane. Why? Because it's equally distributed from the center plane. That's all. Now you are going to extruded, select the extruded base and go to select the sketch. In the sketch, go to select this profile. Yeah, selected, which is the dimension of extrusion. See here, they given us 26. Okay, give here dimension as 26 and select the mid plane. Yeah, it's equally inclined, equally extruded. Fine. Now you are going to once again select the extrude and select the sketch and select the circle at the center point. Now it will be extruded. What will the extrusion dimension is 44. Yeah, it's equally extruded. Give the dimension as 44. Yeah, it's completed with the dimension of 44. We are almost completed. Now we're going to draw this profile. Okay, its dimension of at the bottom to center of the circle is 144. Go side plane. Okay, that is right side plane. Select the right side plane. Select the sketch and select the zoom in out, small it and make the zoom to area. I am here to draw the profile. Okay, give the one rectangle. Okay, from here approximately I give you and then you change it out. Okay, and then give the circle at the mid plane. Okay, it's enough. And one more circle is to be drawn. Select the circle command and select here. Okay, fine. And uh, trim this or delete this line. Okay, fine, it's completed. And trim this entities. Okay, and give the dimensions from center to edge. First to position it, make the dimension this dimensions. What will be the dimension of profile is radius 15, so it could be 30. So give the 15 mm and make the dimension is 30. Sorry, radius is 15. Fine. Okay, is exactly placed and make the dimension of the small circle as they given 12. Make it as a 12 mm. Now I should have to place the center position from make the bottom to top dimensions. Okay, here to center position is 144. They given 144. Yeah, I placed, it will be uh, okay, leave it, don't worry, we correct it. Delete this side entities. Go to circle command Now change the dimensions. uh, 30 30, position it. I correct this and position it at center, makes a position. I linearly, that is horizontally, I position it as a 0, it will be automatically corrected. Yeah, it comes to perfect center position. I delete this. Yes. uh, Now change the dimensions, recreation this is 30 diameter and this is to be 12 and height is corrected. Now go to in this view, give the wireframe. Why? It's because don't extrude up to this bottom, don't go to below the bottom. Why? Because this is hollow space, you leave it as up to this mark. Okay, that's why I change the wireframe, make the line sketch and draw up to this, make here and cover it. Okay, completed this and once again trim this half portion of circle. Now you are completed this portion. Huh? Okay, one more time I offset it, give the some tolerance, offset 5 mm, 5 mm or 2 mm, maybe give 3 mm, because in curved portion it will take some projection. Select the, unselect the chain, uh, offset that and zoom it correct, zoom it and trim this entities whichever you want. I don't want this entity, we don't want this entity, we don't want, and also this also. Okay, it's enough. Okay, now you are completed. Zoom all and now check it out the model. Go exit sketch, exit sketch, view that in 3D view. Okay, it's placed in center position. Now select the extrude base. Yeah, now here you have to select the mid plane and equally distributed. So check the dimension which you are want. This is 27 27 and here is this is 6, so 60, it will total dimension is 60. Okay, give here as 60 mm, extruded. Fine, it's perfectly fit with that circle solid. Okay, it's completed now. Only one thing is pending. Which one? This one cutting is cut groove is needed. Okay. Now, now I'm going to select the appearance. Before we cutting that groove, I change the color. Okay. Now select the color. I am selecting the color. You may select which you want and give appearance. Now I am going to extruded cut. Select the plane. I am going to select the mid plane of that is the front plane. Select the sketch view and then right click, zoom, zoom in out and make it a zoom area up to here where we need. Fine, draw this, draw one rectangle. Okay, yeah, to this. We need dimensioning. Check it out. They given a 6. Okay, 6. Okay, make the dimensions here to here. First center position. You make the center position little bit. Make the dimensions. The edge to the center position. I place it as a 3. Why? Because total dimension is 6. This could be 6. That's why I give the 3. You equally inclined. Enough. This dimension is enough. Why? Because we are going to subtract. We are going to the extrude cut. That's why I am leaving the height of the rectangle. Now going to select the axis sketch. You have selected. Now you have to view that in the 3D model. Select the mid plane. Yeah, it's extrude cut, equally extruded cut. Almost we done. Super. This is today completed model. Zoom it and rotate it. Yeah, and one more pending is the which one? This profile. One slat is there. How it could be draw? Go to select the top plane or select the plane. First of all, you select the extrude cut. Select this place. It automatically comes in on view of a sketch. Here ready-madely they given one a special profile is given in the SolidWorks. This is the special. Go and select that profile. You just draw it here, one line and one point to another point. Enough. Okay. Yeah. It's not in view. Make wireframe. Yeah, it's now visible. Place it as a like this and give the dimensions. um, this width is this width. Now we only update here only 12 mm. 12 mm they given. That's why given here they given as a width of this slot is 12 mm. So I corrected 12 mm and click OK. Go to the small dimensions. Make it as dimensions center to up to this point is to be. This is the total dimension is 22, minus the radius 6 is 6. So total 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. So minus it from the 22 to 12 is we have only 10. So 10 means give the half of the 10 5, and total dimension is total length is 10. Now we have completed slot dimensions completed. Okay, and now you have to mirror it at here only. Select the sketch. You selected. Now going to select the mirror entity. Entities. This asking entities. Once again you select that. Yeah, you have selected slot. Mirror about. Okay, they asking mirror about. Go to this and select the which plane you want. We have to select the front plane. It will automatically comes opposite mirrored view. You got that another slot. So that's all. Now going to looking at in the 3D model. Yeah, now say exit sketch. Give the exit sketch. Once again it's positioned in normal view, and once again I select the 3D model. Now it's a extruded cut, and here select the model. Yeah, it's extruding cut completed method slot. Okay, right. Zoom it and rotate. Perfect. Thank you for joining this video. This is simple model creation in SolidWorks. You favorite it means you like it and give the commands any correction in this model creation, and also make it subscribed if you are in new one, and also recommend to your friends and view it is a full length of video. Okay sir, thank you for joining this video. Thank you.